Smart Interactive City. Now, I'd like to bring up our top innovator, Fernando Pinto, to talk about what he does. He is the founder and CEO of Smart Interactive City.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the invite. It's for me a great pleasure to be here and to be sharing with you.
Grab a mic, sorry.
Can you help me with changing the slides because I need my hand?
Okay.
Hello? Anyone from Portugal? That's usually the reaction that I have. Thank you so much. So, as I was telling you, thank you so much for having me here. Thank you for the opportunity that you are giving me. Now I would like to share with you a little bit on what we are doing with SMITI, our smart city, our smart interactive city platform that brings engagement and connects together people, venues, and also municipalities. We have today more than 35 installations in cities, and 15 more are coming. I'm not going to share with you what it does, but I'm going to share with you some, what I think they are, very cool examples on what people and cities are doing with it. Okay? Next slide, please. So let me start with some of the venues that we have. Let me start by sharing with you an example of the National Art Museum, where SMITI can act as a tour guide. And the experience actually starts at the entrance, where you can buy the ticket, and then follows you through the visit. So it can provide you additional information on paintings, can provide you additional information on sculptures, and any other artwork. SMITI has also built in a visual impaired assistant, so it really can talk with you if you need any other voice information. While we are doing that, and in addition to that, we are also providing contextual information, and so improving the experience, but also understanding what kind of demographics we have in a museum, in a park, in an aquarium, and gathering that information, seeing what are the crowded locations that we have inside the venue, and providing that information to the entity responsible. Next slide, please. Let me also share with you some examples of what we are doing in some of the cities, where we are leveraging the power of social networks. And so we are providing to the user, to the cities, what is happening and where it's happening. Another interesting example is in a city that we have SMITI implemented, and where we are actually counting the people that is passing by a very old Roman bridge. Everything that is old is Roman, and while we are doing that, and while the users are passing by, they also can get more information on what they should be doing and what they should see. And very interesting is the sensors that we have connected to the platform. So today, I can tell you that besides counting people, we are able to provide to the municipality information on temperature, humidity, CO2, microparticles, and very, very interested in noise pollution. So we are able to gather all this information and provide to the city so they can improve their citizens' life and their citizens' experience in the city. Next slide, please. Let me also share with you another example that we are doing on parks. Think about very beautiful mountains where they have 32 walking routes. 32. They were not able to understand how many people they were having in each one of the routes and the demographics around it. What type of visitors? What do they like and they don't like? Today, they are able to get that information through our technology. While tourists are going through these routes, they also get security alerts and fauna and flora information. And of course, since there are some connectivity challenges, the SMITI app works in both modes, online and offline. Next slide, please. So to wrap up, again, we are here with presenting you some of the cases that we have been implementing in 35 cities. 15 more are coming. We have, it's real, it's today. We have been adding value to our partners. We have been adding value to the cities that have implemented our solution. And of course, I am here available to share all these examples with you. Again, thank you so much for having me here.
Terrific. Thank you so much, Fernando. Thank you.